Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to create a Flappy bot clone. So really this is an opportunity to learn how you can create games on Android. And Flappy bot is a relatively simple game to create. If you haven't heard of it, it was released in 2013 to the frustration of many iOS users because it was fiendishly difficult. At the same time, being very simple. It was very popular, and actually there is an interesting story behind it about the developer actually removing it from App Store because of all the criticism that he got because people found it so difficult to play. But anyway, you can go away and Google it that if you want to find out more. I just want to show you very briefly how the game works. So here's floppybot.io. You can go and have a look at it now, and this just shows you an online version of the game, which is pretty similar to the one that we are going to create. So click. Oh, I didn't even get a pass the first 5. You keep pressing or clicking on the screen to keep Floppy moving up and down, and then the idea is that you have got the randomly positioned pipes. Hey, I got past 4 tubes, which then you have to get through, and absolutely if you hit the pipes you die and game is over. So it is very simple, but it will allow you to see all of the basic of Android game creation. How we can do collision detection, have sprite animation, round the screen zone, and scoring of course up there. So it should be a lot of fun. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you're not yet. Let me know if you have any question, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, peace, and happy coding.